Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, we're here. Welcome, boys and girls, to the perimeter word problems. You've learned all about perimeter, so let's apply it to some real world problems. So let's take a look. So it reads, Jeremy draws a shape with 5 sides. The sides measure 14 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the shape Jeremy drew? Well, we could draw this out real quick. A 5-sided shape is about a pentagon, and these are a little off, but that doesn't matter because it's not asking us to draw perfectly. And it says the sides are 14 centimeters, so we'll say that side's 14. We'll say this is 5, this is 3. Obviously, this is not exact, but that is what we are going to use today. We don't we got all 5 sides, all 5 numbers. We got 14, we've got 5, we've got 3, 6, and 10. So let's start adding these up. I'm going to start with my bigger numbers to add up. 10 and 14 gets me 24. Got those. And then let's add a 6 to that, and that gets us 30. And I know it just in my head, 3 plus 5 equals 8. So 8 to 30 gets me 38 centimeters. So the perimeter of this shape that Jeremy drew is 38 centimeters. I added my 10 and 14 and got 24, plus 6 got me 30, 5 and 3 and 5 and 3 got us 8, so 38 centimeters. So let's try that again. Cecilia drew a shape with 3 sides. The sides measure 13 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 18 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the shape Cecilia drew? Once again, I can just draw this out, just a really rough sketch. I know it says it has 3 sides, so I drew a triangle there. And the sides measure at 13, 7, and 18. Well, let's make this the shorter one, 7. And let's say this one's 18 and this one's 13. Obviously, this is not a perfect triangle, but we're doing the best we can just to figure out what the perimeter of the shape is. So let's add our biggest numbers together. Start from the biggest and go to the smallest. It's the easiest way to do it. So 13 plus 18 gets me 11. 1, 2, 3, 31. So I got that number and I got that number. And then 7 to plus 31, because you know perimeter means to add. So 31 plus 7 gets me 38 centimeters. Again, there you have it, boys and girls. That's how you do that one. Let's look at this one. So Saul draws a square that are 10 inches on each side. What is the perimeter of the square he drew? Well, a square is a quadrilateral that has all the same sides. So if it tells us that one is 10 inches, it tells us right here, they're 10 inches on each side. 10 inches each side. So 10 and 10 and 10. You don't even have to, well, you can draw it because you know how to draw a square. And then you've got 10 plus 10 plus 10. And that would just be 10, 20, 30, 40. Count by tens. That would be the same as adding it. So 40 inches is the perimeter of what he drew. So let's get down to this one. So let's read it. It says, Rebecca arranged her blocks in this order. So here's how she arranged them. Which of these other arrangements has the same perimeter as Rebecca's first arrangement? So my first step is to figure out what was her perimeter to begin with. So let's count them. And I'm going to draw here and just make a tick mark. You could use your finger on your computer screen. But I would just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this perimeter is 16 units. So I'm going to look at all my options, A, B, C, and D. Which one has 16 units? So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's not A. That one only had 14. Let's look at B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. B has 12, so we know it's not 12. It's not B. And let's do C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. C is also 12, so it's not C. And we know that D is our only option, but good test takers, good students count it just to double check, or else we've got a problem on our hands. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that is exactly what we were looking for. So we know the answer to this problem is D. They both have the perimeter of 16. Well, boys and girls, there you have it. There you go. That is how you do this problem. Oh, wait, we forgot this one. Oh, but you can do it. It's super easy. It says Nevaeh draws a triangle that has 19 inches on each side. So if it tells you what shape to draw, just draw it as best as you can. Triangle is what I drew, and it's 19 inches on each side, and then just add them up. I'll let you guys solve this one. But there you have it, boys and girls. That's how you do perimeter word problems. Thanks for watching.